I am telling you that the most of the IS and PCS becoming from the Uttar Pradesh and Bihar state.
बात तो सही है.
What is the benefit of the?
What is the education ratio of the census according 2011 Bihar and minimum ratio of the education in the Bihar?
You are talking about IS and PCS.
Yes.
You are saying that
You have no tolerance. He is not able to be here. You need to be here, sir. Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
the
sir.
3% raped.
3 rape cases every
Yes,
day.
every day. What is that happen in Delhi?
Yes, I want to add one thing.
It was a statement of your CM.
Sir, please listen.
It
please,
was a
please
statement
listen.
of your CM.
Please
He said,
listen.
I will distribute.
Please listen. In
And the audience will be happy. Audience will happy.
please, only free education is in Delhi. There is no free education in other state. I want to ask anybody.
All right, everybody, thank you very much for being here today. Your presence means a lot. Excuse me, do you know why? Let me tell you. You know, this capital of India, I mean Delhi, of course, this Delhi government has been in limelight since Ivanka Trump has visited in so many schools. As so many people talk about, Delhi government has been doing amazingly for the last 15 years, as far as I know. So if this state has been doing amazingly, so it becomes very important for all of us to discuss about why. If something is good, then we need to highlight that. If something is really amazing, then of course we need to promote that so that we could uplift other states as well. When we talk about federation, in federation there are so many states. So talking about so many states, if all the states will grow, then of course India will become developed country in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, today we have so many trainees and they are going to have words on approaching election of Kejriwal. I mean Aam Aadmi Party. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite a person from, I don't know from where he comes, but he comes from India itself. Ladies and gentlemen, he is fan of Kejriwal. Let's welcome Mr. Kailash. Please come to the stage. Please have a seat and thank you very much for joining us. I know you have precious time. So congratulations that you are going to talk about Kejriwal. Ladies and gentlemen, let us invite a person from, I don't know, I think he is from other country, but he's going to talk about Kejriwal, that Kejriwal has not been doing well. Let's welcome Mr. Adnan, please, on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, let us invite one more person from, of course, from your party. I don't know which party you are supporting, maybe BJP, maybe Congress, but you are talking about Kejriwal here. Aam Aadmi Party you are supporting today? That's beautiful. Let us invite Mr. Fiyaz, please come to the stage. Your members are not appreciating you guys. Why? Nobody's clapping for you. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite one more person from Aam Aadmi Party, of course, Miss Riddhi. Please come to the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, a person who has been waiting for his turn and today he booked a ticket and came from Australia. Let's welcome Mr. Arunesh. He has so many, kind of kharaf data, Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome a person who has been a great personality of Prayagraj, actually, right? But he calls himself Allahabadi. Let's welcome Mr. Azam Mirza. Please come to the stage.
Nothing is on copy.
No problem. He's afraid of data. Excuse me. Sir, don't be afraid of data here.
Virtual communication.
No, virtual communication? It's not virtual communication, sir. It's a physical communication. Come on.
Physical but not used.
Oh my God. Okay. You are afraid of data. I understand that. We don't need this mic. So, I'm so happy. You know why?
Sir, we are also happy.
You're happy?
We are going to make.
Are you happy, guys?
We are going to making our government in the Delhi in 5 of February.
His English is not good, guys.
Yes, sir.
You are making grammar mistakes?
So we will cooperate, sir.
You will cooperate? No, you have to show the literacy of Aam Aadmi Party because you have been educated from there. By the way, please clap for them, guys. Dear viewers, we are really sorry if unfortunately we speak any wrong words or sentences, but we are going to talk about these things because we want to develop our communication skills. Excuse me, if Arvind Kejriwal sir, if you are watching, like this video sir, of course, right. So here, these people are very angry and very sad with the government of Aam Aadmi Party. I would like to know why. Could you tell people that why you are so much angry?
Hello everyone.
Be energetic, sir. Come on.
Hello everyone. This is me Adnan Abdullah, and I'm just against the Aam Aadmi Party.
Mr.
Like
Aam Aadmi Party should
Mr.
not come again, right?
Kejriwal.
Okay.
Because I don't want that Aam Aadmi Party will come again.
Should come again.
Should come again. Because
Be professional, sir.
They have no
Thinking.
points, sir.
I have so many points.
So please speak.
Okay, thank you, sir. Sir, because Aam Aadmi Party just providing free education.
Sir, be professional, sir. Sir, you can speak after some time.
Mr. said, first of all, Jai Hind everyone. And my name is Kailash, and I am from the side of Aam Aadmi Party. Mr. Adnan said that Aam Aadmi Party is providing only free education. I want to ask that all of when that free education is not good or
Of course not good. Of course not good. Of course not good.
How? It is good. Sir, education is, free education is not good. Anybody can say. Yeah, we can say. Sir, how?
Okay.
Sir, how can say free education, sir?
Listen
sir,
to us.
if you
Listen to us.
Sir,
We are
sir,
saying
in the-
that education, free education is not good.
Sir, it's not good. Why
I'm
free
telling you.
education?
Why free education is? Why free education is not good? Because the poor family where they were, still they are there. Still they are there. Now rich family are sending their children in free schools. So what has changed in Delhi? People are becoming lethargic because of free of cost. Because of free. They are depend on a free. Bijli is a free.
I want to-
light
I
is a
want to
free,
say-
water is a free. Education is a free. People are depends on a free. They will say in future, CM should give money.
I want to say,
Absolutely.
I want to ask that anybody, I want to show data that education is in the Delhi. There is ratio is so high and very fluent. Students are getting best education. You can see that ratio, and a foreigner from the village, from the US education minister came and visit the schools. They visited the schools. Why they came? Because the education is very best level in the Delhi. But I want to add that how many states, almost 20 plus states, the BJP party government. But in every state there is the free government school. But in the Delhi there is the Aam Aadmi Party investing 25% of the budget in the Delhi. But also 30% of the budget is investing the BJP party. But there is the not even 40,000 schools in all over the country. I am not manipulating.
If someone had visited in Delhi, if someone had a visit in Delhi,
you are discussing
what
about
has changed for poor students? What has changed for poor family? My question is that.
Sir, if you're talking about this much budget, so what is the outcome?
Yes, sir.
What is the outcome, sir? You are promoting laziness?
No, sir.
This is his statement.
Sir,
Absolutely.
in the Delhi, we can see that really education level is very best. We can see. But in the all over the country, there is the government school. They are providing free schools. And 20 plus states, there is the government party, like BJP party government. But they are also providing free education. But there is the no result. Only 40,000 schools. There is the only one teacher in the school.
What is the?
Yes, sir. I read in the Times of newspaper. I read it. Yes, I read the Hindu newspaper, sir. In 10 days before.
Free education is talking about, right? He is saying that there is no outcome of that.
Yes, sir. I want to that.
No outcome, man.
Because
Sir,
of
in the Delhi there is the outcome, sir.
Listen to. because of a free education, their teachers are not giving respect to students.
How you can
Because
say-
what the comes in mind they are teaching, because they knows not very well about
In
the,
the
what the
Delhi-
meaning of
in the
free.
Delhi,
What's the
please-
meaning of free?
In the,
Sir, you are increasing the disvalue, the manifestation of disvalue.
Yes.
Right. Even teacher himself does not value students because teacher knows that they are studying for free of cost.
Absolutely. Yes.
I want to add one
was
thing.
a statement of your CM.
Sir, please listen.
It
please,
was a
please
statement
listen.
of your CM.
Please
He said,
listen.
I will distribute.
Please listen. In
And the audience will be happy. Audience will happy.
Please listen. In the Delhi, the average per capita income is like third, approx 3x. But in the other state, there is the one, like in the other state, there is the 100 rupees any person making, and in Delhi, there is one person making 300 rupees. So why there is the difference? There is the difference because of the best education.
Please repeat again. I couldn't listen.
I want to say that the average income, like other states, approx on whole nation, whole India, one person is making 1,000 rupees.
Okay.
But if we talk about the Delhi's, the one person is making 3,000 rupees. So why that is difference? But all over the India, there is the 20 plus state government or BJP party. So why there is the difference? Please
What the
justify that statement.
Have you heard the name of Gujarat?
Yeah.
That state is
There is the very low ratio of the
education. That state hub of a business. Every businessman belongs from Gujarat. Why they are rich? Can you tell me?
We are
any
discussing
state-
about the education. Please justify that education.
Give any number. What has changed because of on the basic of our education? What has changed in Delhi? Nothing has changed. What was going on in past, same thing is also happening in present. What has changed?
Only one thing has been changed.
Kejriwal is doing only for getting vote. Only for doing
Only
this,
one
for
thing
getting
has
vote.
been changed. I can tell that. Yes.
I want to add.
In the name of promoting daru, he himself has been caught.
Sir, that is only fake. That is only fake allegation. By the central government only use the CBI and these type of agencies in all over the India to discouraging the popularity of the Aam Aadmi Party.
Okay. Yes, Mr.
Not
Fayyaz.
improved
Mr. Fayyaz, how
Good
much
evening,
budget have
everybody.
you got?
My name is Mohammad Fayyaz. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Delhi, Aam Aadmi Party came Delhi, and they developed many things: infrastructure, school, medical, college also, and hospital. They came, so that's why that is possible because of they came. Yeah.
But in every state it has been done.
Ma'am.
Good evenings to everyone. This is Riddhimi. If I talk about the what is the income, what is the outcome of the education of the Delhi, so you can see the literacy percentage of the Delhi. It is the 88%. And if you say the education of the outcome of the education of the Delhi, so you can the identify of the student of the Delhi and the other state. And there are lots of develop of the education field of the Delhi, because our government is not saying if you study in the Delhi, you are only job there. There are lots of people who is very famous for our own skill, which is the gain of the Delhi Institute. There are lots of people who take the admission of the Delhi colleges because their education is very good. Why you are not take admission of the other state? And that's it.
And you said that the Delhi's successful people, businessmen people, want to send their children in government school. You said that point. That is best thing, na? That is best thing that they also want. They also want that if we talk about the other state like Gujarat and these type of
Yes,
other
please,
state.
Please talk about Punjab. Please talk about another state, and that's the Punjab. Talk about.
Also, Aam Aadmi Party is trying to improve the.
Trying.
Sir,
So every party is trying
I
to
want to
improve.
add. Sir, I want to add the establishment of the Aam Aadmi Party is 2012. Only 10 or 12 year tenure they got these type of secured rank, and there is the powerful opposition of the India and against the BJP party, and the only BJP party say that use only fake allegation that they are money laundering case, these type of case, drinking case.
Do you have a proof?
You only
Do
use.
you have a proof any?
You not have
Only
proved.
You are throwing
You
your
not
word.
have
Only
proved.
you are throwing your word.
In the Supreme Court,
As
the
a brother said-
CBI governor.
As a brother said that because of a free caste, people are visiting in Delhi. People are visiting and they want to live in Delhi because of living there. Na pollution is increasing. Garbage is increasing.
That is natural.
And what's about this?
Sir, that is natural thing that Delhi is the.
Pollution is increasing and the age of our ratio is decreasing. So what the meaning? What the means of this?
Sir, do you know, if we want to gain anything, if you want to gain something, you have to lost anything, something. Okay.
If
No.
if
No.
I will get a free caste,
Something
so
is
that
better than
means I have
nothing.
lost my life.
Something is better than nothing.
I think we should not debate here only. We should share our views to the public here, right? Whatever we think about whether Aam Aadmi Party Arvind Kejriwal should come in the power or not. Like he was chief minister, but now he is not, right? But from his own party, Atish is there, right? So she should remain chief minister of Delhi or not? Here election is approaching. So what is your consideration? Do let people know.
Okay. If Kejriwal will come or not, it depends on his achievement. It depends on Delhi peoples. They will vote or not. Okay. Sir, I want to give one example. If
What is your consideration? They should vote or not?
yeah, they will vote.
They will vote.
Yeah.
Should they?
Yeah, then yes, they should.
They should.
Yes. Because they will win. They will make the win of the Kejriwal. Kejriwal will come again the CM chair. That time he will develop many things. If Kejriwal will not come, the Delhi people will not. Delhi people will lost many things. The good infrastructure, the good school, the good facilities, many things. You can see that other 28 remain state, they are not developing rather than Delhi. Why? Because of they are not developing because of their CM. They don't want to develop, so that's why they are not developing. And if I have one example, one country in Luxembourg, okay, that country is very developed. Why? Because of all the things they are free in there. So that's why they are very developed. And if Delhi will free all the things, Delhi also will develop many things. So that's why Kejriwal should come again.
Okay. Do you want to say anything? Not by asking, but you have to tell people what you do not like. What you do not like.
Tell people. Just I don't like that Kejriwal should come, because if you will get something free, then you will not value that thing. That's why I don't want that he should come. And also there are so many things he said that if Kejriwal will come, then if Kejriwal will not come, then Delhi people will lost so many things. He is true, because if Kejriwal will not come, then Delhi people will lost their weakness, will lose their weakness. And if Kejriwal will not come, the Delhi will free by the pollution, because just because of the free of everything, the pollution is increases day by day. Because like tax, they are not getting tax, and if you will not get tax, everyone want to work in Delhi. That's why the pupils are migrating from other states to go to Delhi and work there, and they are just working there, and the population increases day by day. That's why the pollution is also increases. And if the pollution is increases, it is very harmful for Delhi and also the states just surrounding neighboring state. They are just surrounding in Delhi.
that discuss about the education. Discuss about the education. Every person that want to go to Delhi and want to do work, and there is the best facility and these type of things. That's why any people want to go. I want to take suggestion. That's why any person want to go Delhi. There is the best infrastructure, best facility. That's why they want to go. But I want to say that these type of infrastructure, education facility, healthcare facility will be available in other states and every village that have BJP party government. So why there is the need to migrate people? I want to ask that why they have to migrate.
Okay.
Yeah, please.
His point was that so many people come from other states and other cities and they live in Delhi. Why? Because they want to earn money and
Want to earn money. There is the best facility, best salary. That's why they want to go.
earn money. Why? Because everything is quite free.
Yes, sir.
Right?
This is the reason.
Okay, that's the reason. And people want to go there. And if people want to go there, if they are increasing
I want to
pollution as well as population.
I want to add. If any person live in the village, any person live in the normal city, there is only spent like 1 month 4,000, 3,000. But if any person, there is best that getting best education and best like free electricity and these type of things. But any person not getting that out, any other state person not getting any other facility. But that's why they want to go.
Sir,
but for the living in the Delhi, there is the 10,000 expenditure for every person. So any person want to spend. That's why they want to go.
Okay. Just imagine that if Kejriwal starts working on infrastructure. So if a father works in that company, so a father can also afford the fees of children, and a father can feel proud as well that I am educating my baby. But Kejriwal is spoiling the respect of father.
I want to add that if any like you said that if a father got salary, any type of work, and after that spent the money in the education of children, if the father getting salary and he is saving salary and the government providing best education, what is the weak point?
Sir, that is the point. For example, if you have your own children,
I want to add.
You're not letting us speak, sir. That's the point. You should let us speak as well.
Yeah.
Okay, Kailash, for example, you have your own children. You have 2 children, and you are, mashallah, hatta katta naujawan. But I am educating your babies. Will you like that?
Sir, definitely.
Definitely. Okay. Now listen. But somewhere,
make sure education will be best.
Education will be the best. Okay, let me tell you. If I'm educating your baby, somewhere or the others, I am spoiling your self-respect there.
Yes.
You need to understand that. In future, those children, what they will think? They will simply think that my father is not able. My father is not capable to educate me. So instead of respecting you, they will respect me actually.
Okay.
So you will lose your self-respect, and they will. Of course, you need to understand that.
I want to
yes,
add.
they are not able
Only-
to understand.
Sir, I want to share that only free education is in Delhi. There is no free education in other state. I want to ask anybody. Every state there is free government school. Yes. But government is spending lots of money, but there is not best facility. Yes. But in the Delhi there is best facility. Yeah,
Why to focus on free education? I am against.
We are only saying that.
I am against with all the free educations. Even it is Uttar Pradesh or anywhere. We are against free education. Why free education? If someone is providing free of cost education, it means that he is killing my self-respect.
Sir,
You need to
first of
understand
all,
that.
sir, we are Indian, okay?
We are Indians.
First thing, you are here and you are like now in present time there is best in present time there is best establishment Welltok Institute and you are running lots of
Good
money.
example of Welltok.
Okay, you are earning lots of money.
Of course.
But you started after realizing that I can do.
I can do. Yes.
But
Okay.
in the like 5th class, 6th class, government like used to provide that many facility.
Sir,
and you will learn.
Okay,
And
let
you
me
learn
tell you.
that in
Sir,
past time.
sir,
So-
you are sitting on this chair, right?
Yes,
Are
sir.
you okay?
Yes, sir.
You feel proud to sit here. Why? Because you have paid fees here.
Yes, sir. That's why.
Are you getting the point?
That is not
What is the? Excuse me. Excuse me. Even I feel proud to talk to you as well, because you have paid me and I am paying you time as well. But if you wouldn't pay me, you would feel inferiority complex. Oh my God, I have not paid fees here. You need to understand that, sir. Thank you very much.
I want to say in the Delhi, I want to say in the Delhi there is the more IITians enrolling in the IITs, more students getting IAS jobs, more going in the CDS, FCAT and many dignified jobs. So why they all are people going?
We talk about that.
Yes.
There is no IITian because many
No
IITs,
The students
IIS become from the Bihar and UP. Yes, you can check on the data. Because
please share.
I am telling you that the most of the IS and PCS becoming from the Uttar Pradesh and Bihar state. What is the benefit of the?
What is the education ratio of the census according to 2011 Bihar and minimum ratio of the education in the Bihar?
You are talking about IS and PCS. You are saying
That all the ratio is according to education level in the according to 2011 census. The lowest education level is the Bihar and Uttar Pradesh and these type of states. And the education ratio.
selection ratio. I am talking about the selection ratio.
I am talking about all. I am talking about average.
About one thing.
I am talking.
Selection process.
Yes, IIT.
know how to talk, yeah? Yes.
I'm talking about selection.
Sir, please.
Doesn't know how to talk. Sir, they are not.
Sir, average level of the education.
No,
average level of the.
Are you talking about selection ratio? Because you mentioned about IAS officers.
Yes.
So now listen.
I am telling you that.
Yes.
I am telling that the many of the IS come from the Bihar and UP. So what is the education of the Delhi government? If they are very good.
I want to justify.
I think Nitish
Most-
Kumar should go in.
Okay.
Become the prime minister.
Mr. Said that most of the IAS people belong to Bihar. So why the Bihar is not developed state, not best infrastructure? If many people is got best education, because the Bihar, any person came and got education and became any famous personality, IAS, PCS, these type of things, like such a best businessman. But after that, the person don't want to go their Bihar state. That is the reason they don't want to go their state. And they only want to work in their own self and their duties and their best. They don't think about the other people's all of the families.
Sir, I am really sorry for your information, So I think that from where you have studied. Exactly. Sir, Delhi, that is the point. Sir, let me tell you, you are talking about why is, you're asking question that why is Bihar not developed, right? Sir, because of you guys. After becoming IAS officers, they are actually...
Sir, I am not saying...
I'm telling you.
I am not saying...
You guys are from Delhi, sitting somewhere under the roof. You guys are insisting on Bihari people to call them there. You guys are calling them.
They are belong.
You guys-
They are saying that Bihari people
Become IAS officers,
became
right?
IAS and these type of.
Sir,
I am
it's
talking
true.
about Delhi's education. Delhi's.
Sir, nobody becomes IAS officer from there. Rarely, very few.
What is the
Very few.
what is the education
in comparison
ratio?
to Bihar?
What is
in
the-
comparison to Bihar? Sir, talk about it, sir. He was talking about development of Bihar. Now he's changing the point. Sir, you're really from Delhi, I think.
Yes, of course, we are Delhi and we are proud.
That's why he know how to manipulate. That's
we
why.
know how
He doesn't know even how to talk, man.
Yes, sir.
Definitely we know.
By the way, you should.
They are not
Yes,
able to.
yes. Let them talk. Let them talk. Your member from Aam Aadmi Party is trying to say that Bihar is not
I am
developed.
also.
Uttar Pradesh is not developed. Then what are you doing in Uttar Pradesh?
We are not talking about the whole state.
Sir, you are disrespecting. You are disrespecting a Bihar, Uttar Pradesh. Now you are talking about whole states.
I am not
Bihar is not all this.
We
Sir, if I will not take the name of our Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. You already know. If he goes in Delhi, don't worry that Delhi will become like Uttar Pradesh, like very nice Uttar Pradesh.
Sir, we are not disrespecting the other state. We are only analyzing that the ratio of education and different things according to census. So that is the data shows. That's why we want to show, we want to express that what is the data. The highest ratio in Kerala. That's why we can assume and really there is the development. There is the more successful people, more successful businessmen, and these type of other things.
All right.
And Abdul Kalam also, Tamil Nadu, and these type of things.
All right. Thank you very much for joining us. Please have a seat. I need to call other people as well. Thank you very much. Please have a seat. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let us invite Miss Akriti on the stage from Aam Aadmi Party. Please come on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite Mr. Sahil on the stage. Please come on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome Miss Sania. Please come to the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome Mr. Faz on the stage. Please come to the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome Anshuman. Please come to the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome Mr. Vikas on the stage. Please come on the stage. If you guys do not speak, so I will support you. If you guys do not speak, so I will support you. But I would like to say that you all must speak so that I should not speak, so that I could not speak. Even I should not speak, guys. You should speak, right? This talk is only for the development. Oh, really? No, it's okay. It's okay. All right. All right. So I want you to talk. This session is only for making you communicate, guys, right? So I would like Mr. Sahil to say something. Why? I mean, why are you so angry with the Aam Aadmi Party? Have you not got any kind of ticket?
I got ticket.
First of all, thank you so much, sir. And I will say the Aam Aadmi Party should be not come because in Delhi, I'm talking about the pollution. The pollution day by day increasing.
Oh my God!
Really, sir. Because of there are so many people go and live in Delhi, and because there is a free education and electricity and the water also. And the people depend to the free, all things free, depend of the free. Suppose that, sir, maybe the Aam Aadmi Party gave to the free food, so all Delhi people will not do anything.
Oh my God.
It is bad.
So it means Delhi government is weakening them.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Other points?
Other points, sir, I would like to say rape.
Oh.
Yes, sir. And in Delhi, one day, 17 children kidnapped in Delhi. And other things, 10 women kidnapped in Delhi day by day.
How many women are kidnapped?
10.
10.
Yes, sir. And the third, I can say, in Delhi, 3.
What? Sir, try to be here, right? That is the data only.
Yes, sir.
You have no tolerance. You have no tolerance. He is not able to be here. You need to be here, sir. Okay. Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
3% raped.
3 rape cases every day.
Yes, every day.
Oh my
What is
God.
that happened in Delhi?
Oh my God. Sir, women are not safe in Delhi, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Any question you would like to make?
To him.
Yes.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Mohammad Faiz Ansari. I'm supporting. I'm thinking Kejriwal should be again come and should become. And he, my friend, tell him many cape races are happening. Yes. It's not sir, only in Delhi. It's everyone. If I will talk about sir in other state like that, sir, in UP also happening these things, sir, and any other thing, Bihar and any other, sir. It's happening everywhere. And you are talking about pollution. Pollution, sir, it's a third. Delhi is a third position in a pollution, but in our state, like there is many states like Farida. I'm not remembering, sir. There is many states.
There is no case actually, right?
Sir, there
of course.
Sir, there is top 10 like a pollution states, sir, in India, sir. It's happening, sir.
What is the proof that it's happening, sir?
Do you know about?
It's happening. So many
You
things,
said
sir.
3. 3 is very big. 1 and 2, 3. 3 is very big pollution.
Pollution.
Yes, you said.
Yeah, I know. I'm said, sir. It's a 3 stage.
Yeah.
Wait, let's not ask question. Let us take opinion from everyone. Anshuman.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir, for giving me a wonderful opportunity. I am against Aam Aadmi Party because Aam Aadmi Party only during election they are promised. They are promising only. When I will become once again CM in Delhi, I will provide 300 and 400 school, but they don't provide 300 and 400 school. And people are talking about, sir, free and free. If I am not paying tax and I am not paying tax, I consume all things free. What about army soldier? And what about our nation?
How can we pay salary?
And do you know, total money coming by central government, not Aam Aadmi Party provide. And one thing's mohalla cleaning, sir. Yes. One thing's mohalla cleaning. They are only promising mohalla cleaning. Do you know? They are only promising mohalla cleaning, but they don't do mohalla cleaning. And one point more is that what about our holy river, Yamuna river? They are comparing, sir, business Maharashtra and Delhi. In Maharashtra, Ahmedabad river is very clear, sir. And in Yamuna river, Yamuna river is not clear. Who people wants to learn what is the entrepreneurship, they only go Bangalore and Gujarat, because entrepreneurship is going in Gujarat and Bengaluru so far. Yes, sir. That's my.
Very nice. All right, Vikas.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Vikas. I am in against of Aam Aadmi Party. I am against of.
I am against.
I am against. Sorry.
Be serious. Live is going on.
I am against in Aam Aadmi Party. So that's why now we will tell about Aam Aadmi Party.
I will tell.
I will tell. So that now we can see the pollution in Delhi. Because of that, first of all, you are increasing. There are so many mohalla clinic and hospitalized. Why he is increasing? Because of that, you are not focusing the pollution. You are not focusing the cleanliness of the Delhi. So that's why there are so many illnesses increasing in Delhi. So that's why you are making. There are so many type of hospitals. We are talking about the free education. You are getting me free education. You are just paralyze the mind of the students. Students are not doing the value of the free education, because if I got free education, I will not value of this. So that's why free education is very harmful for all of us. Thank you.
Why are you so much happy? If you talk about problematic situation,
yes, sir. So
that.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Sanya, and I'm talking in favor of Aam Aadmi Party. So, as my worthy opponent are talking about free education, which is wrong. So, first of all, free education is not for everybody. It is for the people who are 6 to 14 years of age, like for children, or who are below the poverty line. Let's see if people who are below the poverty line, they are not earning much, so how can they afford education, right? They cannot afford education, so that is why government is giving them opportunity to study, right? So I don't think there is any wrong in this. And also it provides midday meal to them. So
Very nice.